To turn on Safe Search Filter in Google Chrome, you first have to navigate to your Google Chrome browser and click on it. On this interface, navigate to the top right corner where you see these 3 dots. A drop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Consider to tap on Settings. Then with this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you could see Privacy and Settings. Make sure to click on it. Then on the Privacy and Settings, when you scroll down a bit, you could see Safe Browsing. Then proceed to tap on it. And this is where the magic will happen. Proceed to select on Enhance Protection. Then with this selected, make sure to tap on this arrow beside it. After that, navigate back and then scroll down until you locate Use Secure DNS and tap on it. Then with this selected, if yours is already toggled off, make sure this is toggled on. Then continue to tap on Choose another provider. Then with this selected, make sure to tap on this custom icon. Then proceed to tap on Clean Browsing till you have successfully enabled Safe Search Filter in your phone on Google Chrome. After that, let's locate our browser on our PC. On your PC, navigate to the top right corner again where you see this 3 dot and tap on it. Then with this selected, scroll down until you locate Settings and click it. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. On the left tab, continue to tap on Privacy and Security. And then with this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you could see Security. Make sure to tap on Security. And under Safe Browsing, make sure you select the Enhance Protection. Then after that, scroll down until you locate Use Secure DNS. Then continue to select the DNS provider and then make sure to tap on Clean Browsing. This is the one that I will recommend to you. And that's it. You have successfully activated Safe Search Filter in Google Chrome. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.